8 Best Side Hustle Ideas. Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to tell you about the 8 best side hustle ideas to skyrocket your average income in 2021. With these side hustles, you can earn an extra amount of money other than your main income stream. If you're doing a 9-to-5 job or operating a small business, then you must have a side hustle that can get you some extra bucks. So, let's get started with the ideas we researched. Number 1. Provide online services. The first and foremost side hustle idea that can work correctly is to provide your services online. There are several platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork which allow you to offer your services there. You can sell your services online as a graphics designer, writer, video editor, digital marketer, music and audio producer, virtual assistant, and social media manager, amongst other things, etc. There are a lot of categories available, and you can choose one of them that suits your skill. On Fiverr, people also get paid for giving relationship advice, astrology readings, and even for praying. However, Upwork is a skill-only concerned platform. You can also get projects from Fiverr and later on outsource them to other freelancers. Without sourcing, you can keep some commission from the total amount of money earned. Number 2. Flipping businesses. Flipping means buying things at a low price and then reselling them with a profit margin on websites like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy, etc. However, choosing this side hustle can be a little risky because you'll need to invest in the inventory that you're about to sell. However, if you get some knowledge and do a little smart work, then you can easily buy and sell items. Also, you can purchase some handy items online and again resell them. Number 3. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle ideas in my opinion. With dropshipping, you're allowed to sell your product directly to your customer without even worrying about the inventory. That is the great thing about dropshipping, because you don't have to invest in inventory, the risk is lower. The first thing is you have to develop a store on Shopify and then list the products from the manufacturer. The customer will come and buy the product from your store, but it will be shipped by the manufacturer. Hence, you have to focus on your marketing strategy and customer services, and then you can keep your profit. Number 4. Start blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustle ideas to do from home or from anywhere else in the world. With blogging, you can build an asset that generates passive income. You can start a blog on any topic of your interest. For example, if you love to travel frequently, then you can create a blog on traveling by publishing a useful travel guide. If you carry a single niche such as beauty, travel, dogs, etc., then there are more chances for you to build an audience with the same interests. You can make money via blogging through adding affiliate links in your posts by signing up for Google AdSense or by selling sponsored posts. There are several other ad networks that can be used to monetize your blog, such as Adstera, PoPads, etc. However, the best one of these ad networks is Google AdSense. You can also use affiliate marketing to monetize your blog. Number 5. Instagram influencer. The 5th side hustle idea is about building your own personal brand. If you're good at photography, or if you have an excellent fashion sense, you can be an Instagram influencer and start your own side hustle. Just sign up for Instagram, do the basic SEO of your account, and start posting some quality stuff. Choose the relevant hashtags, engage with people, and in a few days, you'll notice your growth. When it comes to monetizing your Instagram account, there are several ways to do that. You can do that by doing sponsored posts as well as by selling a product from your website on your page. Number 6. Find a part-time job. If you want to earn some extra cash in your free time, then look for a part-time job as your side hustle. There are different types of jobs available for side hustlers such as dog walker, babysitter, receptionist, assistant, barista, and much more. If you're a full-time marketer, then publish a gig online when you get work to outsource it. Number 7. Sell your photos. If you have a friendly camera and some good photography skills, then this can be your side hustle skill. You can take pictures of your place, your town, or anything that you find interesting, and then you can sell it to local publications. Other than that, there are many websites that allow you to sell your photography there. Websites like Shutterstock and Phobe let you sell your pictures online and earn money with every photo you sell. Number 8. Run Facebook ads for small businesses. Another good example of side hustling is running Facebook ads for small businesses. Running ads from Facebook for small business is a type of digital marketing done through the medium of Facebook. Facebook is well known because it is one of the best online platforms for small businesses to increase their traffic and visibility. Also, with this side hustle, if you successfully land on clients, you can earn more than $1,000 to $1,500 per month from a single client. What does it take? All you need to do is to study Facebook ads carefully and then give a few hours from your time to this job. Following are the steps that you need to follow in order to perform digital marketing through Facebook. Number 1. Find and pitch clients. Number 2. Create ads that are highly creative and eye-catchy. Number 3. Test your ads. Number 4. Maintain long-term relationship with clients. You can reach out to different local business owners and help them to create their strategy and grow their business. This side hustle is not that much popular these days, but if you try it, there are chances that you may hit $1,000 to $5,000 from a single client upon successful sales.